This Century 21 Sterling Realty property video is presented by Kim Shipman. Well-maintained, beautiful split foyer. The main living area with an open floor plan. Kitchen has designer shaker cabinets, Corian countertops, middle island, black stainless steel appliances. Built-in microwave. Wood grain stairs. Coretec flooring in all rooms except the bathrooms. Tile flooring in the bathrooms. Full master bath with double sinks and walk-in shower. Ceiling lights in all bedrooms. Recess lighting in kitchen and finished basement. 4th bedroom/family room in basement with a full bath. Walkout basement. Large deck. Oversized 2-car garage. Cement driveway and sidewalk. Mountain view. Oversized windows. Finished separate laundry room in lower level. Beautiful landscaping. Home shows well. Move-in ready. Close to Hedgesville High School, RT9, I-81 and shopping. Must view to see the beauty. For more information, review the details below or contact Kim Shipman at 304-263-2121.